My name is Aaron Mokoena, the former captain of Bafana Bafana, as known as Mbazo. Have you ever heard the buzzwords 4IR or AI, the fourth industrial revolution advancements for the 21st century? AI or artificial intelligence refers to the intelligence of machines and software. Just take a look at how technology has changed the last 20 years. The improvement and availability of the internet. To stay relevant in today's world, we need to improve our skills. I've played soccer all my life, and as a retired player, I'm now more involved with management and coaching. And for that, I needed to upskill myself. Being computer literate is the foundation for any career. More and more career opportunities will require that you are computer literate. Training doesn't end there. You can move on to technical support, system development, graphic designing, and more. For my training, I chose National Computer College in Vereeniging. National Computer College in Vereeniging changed people's lives. 2024, it is the year that people can roll in and change their lives. With that, I want to advise you guys to come and join us so we can be able to change our lives, upskill ourselves, and change the world. Thank you.